Okay guys,
Back at it again.
back at the Imperial Palace again. We're gonna try.
This time it's open.
Yeah, hopefully it's open.
Oh,
well,
maybe
some of the
maybe, I don't know if they allow you to have that sick A.
No, I can change it. It's alright. So as I was saying,
Yes.
we felt scared walking up to the security
I didn't
guards.
feel scared. I felt
But I think, yeah, what did you feel?
intimidated because there were like 3 security guards just staring me down.
I think it's a Cabramatta blood in
It's
her.
not Cabramatta blood. I only go to Cabramatta like once every 6 months. By the way, this is the Imperial Palace. So this is where the Emperor lives,
He lives on the other side.
but no one sees him. Yeah, we're in the garden section.
This garden is bigger than my house.
I think every garden is bigger than your house. That's nice.
Oh,
This
water.
is where they filmed Game of Thrones.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really? Jeez, so much for Game of Thrones fanatic. Why we have to walk through there? Do we have to pay?
We have to pay.
Do we have to pay?
Adrian?
Did that mission? Make sure you keep.
Please make sure to keep them as. Stop making that noise. Oh, these trees are so
Alright, people, copy this, and you can get in any way you want.
You've got to do the back piece of it.
Oh yeah, sorry.
But there's no way for you to walk in it without this. Like, you actually have to go past the gates.
You wanna bet?
Ooh,
wanna bet?
What are you gonna do? Climb over those?
It's called ninjas.
And you don't have to pay for it too. So I don't know why you want to.
What if you wanna come here illegally?
This is nice.
So, what episode and what season of Game of Thrones was recorded here?
How am I meant to know exactly what episode, what season?
What time?
Oh my
How long were they here for?
god.
I don't remember
This
walking
is what I
here.
have to deal with.
So this is the tea house. I'm gonna read it to the people.
I'm pretty sure they know how to read.
Pause it here.
Oh, much nicer here when you took a photo like this.
Hey, this is the stuff in postcards and shit. A tree. There's a sign in the water. Hey, look at that fish. Look at all these fishies. That one's really gold. There's a lot right there. Wow. Liv. Look how gold the fishes are.
That's fluoro orange, mate. Wow.
Is your phone waterproof? Can we get over there?
Yeah.
Let's go
No.
over there. for a